Tired of strangers scrolling through your vacation photos and commenting on your dinner? It's time to take control and lock down your Instagram privacy. First, locate and tap the Instagram app icon on your phone to open the app. Once Instagram is open, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture icon, typically found in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now look for the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your profile page and tap on them. A menu will slide in from the right. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to Instagram's Settings menu. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you find Account Privacy, usually located under the Who Can See Your Content category, and tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Private Account by default. This switch is turned off, meaning your account is public. Tap the toggle switch to turn it on. A confirmation window will pop up, explaining that only followers you approve will be able to see your photos and videos. Read the information carefully, and then tap the Switch to Private button to confirm your decision. And that's it. You'll now see a small padlock icon next to your name on your profile, confirming that your account is private. Enjoy your enhanced Instagram privacy.